Okay, yeah, hello, good morning, guys. This is Paul from Mr. Paul Design Agency. I want to share this new amazing new online banking website. Actually, this is a DUKASCOPY template. So I used their concept, part of their design, to complete this project. So as you can see, it looks like DUKASCOPY. So but some things have changed, so you can see. So these are the pages. So but it doesn't get linked back to DUKASCOPY, so it's 100% safe. It's not going to get shut down. So we have the language translator here as well, which is working perfectly. So let's just get down to it. And I also have an inbuilt chat system. So you chat from the system directly from your admin panel. So let's log into the admin. Okay, now this is the admin panel. You will see that there is a little different changes from the previous online banking project that I uploaded. So here now we have live chats, we have some counters, and we have crypto transactions. And this DUKASCOPY also comes with a crypto trading, binary trading stuff, just like this thing, just like DUKASCOPY. Now let's log into one of the accounts. Let me log into this one. Let me copy mark. So now on this admin, so we have some changes made. So you can see your access pin and your account number copied directly from the admin panel. So now let me log in. So now immediately I visit the website. The live chat sent a notification directly that there is a visitor. As you can see, anonymous visitor. The live chats notified me instantly. So now if let's assume that I want to start this chat now. See, so if I click on it, you see the chat is there. See, I think this is my server issue, but we'll get okay. It's because I'm using this thing. What is it called? This thing mode. So let's just go back to business. Let me go back to the user. This is my account. Access pin. Now the way I build this bank is it can only ask for login OTP if I've logged out from the account. If I click on log out, but if I just close the browser, I can just log in without OTP. So which we are going to test right now. Let me log out. And if I want to log in again now, I want to use the mobile design so that we can just cover the two at the same time, you know. So this is the mobile design on your phone. So you can change the this thing and this thing theme. So now let me go back to the account number, paste, the access key, so if I access, now OTP code has been sent to my email address. Now this is the OTP code. As you can see, it came a minute ago. Yeah, so you can only be asked to log in with OTP if you click on logout. You know, it's going to reset the session instantly. So now this is the mobile design. You know, these are what your website is going to look like on your mobile phone. So even on the app, you know, this also comes with app. So it also comes with app. So this is going to look. You can see how beautiful it is. So if you change the theme, you see how beautiful it is. So this is it, and let's go back to the desktop version. You can see now, so we have the account balance, and we have option to switch account. Now I'm currently on it this thing USD account, and if I want to change it to my investment euro account, just click on change and everything will change. The whole system, the money flow chart, everything changes back to the euro. And if I switch it back to dollars account, so it loads only the transaction from dollar account. If I change it to euro, it loads only transaction on the euro account. So that's how it works. So now there is a lot of familiarities with my other projects. Like this page, we have the account section where you can create a new account, currency type of account you want to create, you know. So we have that, and this is new. This is a trading section. You can see this is a trading section, just like DUKASCOPY. And let me show you on mobile so that you can see, you can understand. You can see it just look like DUKASCOPY's design. You can see, so it just look like DUKASCOPY, and it's very beautiful. Okay, so that is the trading aspect, and we can trade. You can trade any crypto that you want here. And now we have, this is where you put your amount. Let's say for right. I can also select the trading account, so you can decide, okay, you want to trade with your USD account, maybe you've got some balance there, or you want to trade from your euro account. You see, so you can select the account you want to use. We have our leverage here. So now on this part is auto close duration. So now if you want to cash out by yourself, you don't want a time frame, you just leave it you will just leave it at do not auto close manual. So you will take your profit or loss by yourself if you want it. So because of our time, let's just select 1 minute. So now let's select coin that actually has this thing movement. So now you can see as the price is going up, going down, you can see the update on the button, so you know when to click sell or when to click buy. Okay, so now let's just click on sell. Okay, it's loading. So now we have clicked on sell, and if we check here on our open position, we have the current price, we have the timer and the loader that is loading, and the profit or loss. You can see we're actually losing. So before the time runs down, if as in if the market goes up again, it's going to change to green and you will cash out. So now there is a tendency that we might lose this trade because the market is down, so it's not going up. You can see. So that is one thing about binary trading. So we lost the trade already. See, so it turns green, so profits at the last seconds. So we won the trade. You see. So if you check on the history, you will see that plus 425 euro has been added to the account. So yeah, this is our payout on win, 85%, which you can edit it from the admin panel. But most binary trading have most binary trading are using 85% this in payout rates. So that is that about trading. So we have our card section here. So it's like almost similar to the last one I did, but it's more complex, more beautiful. So we have our crypto section here. So we have our crypto deposit. You can deposit crypto. We have our crypto withdrawal, so you can withdraw your funds via cryptocurrency as well. We have history, so we've made some deposits, we've made some deposits that has not been approved, we've made some withdrawals on the account, as you can see. So now let's check this deposit page on the mobile design. So this is a mobile design. You can see how it looks like. So you can see it is very mobile friendly. In fact, just like an app. So you can see, and we have our history here. You can see. So you can also change the listing back. You can see. So now let's go to banking. Let's make some transaction. So okay, on this mobile design as well, you can also change the accounts you want to use, and you can also open a new account, as you can see. So now let's make some banking. So if you want to make some transfer, you can come to payments, internal transfer, domestic transfer, wire transfer, and you can also do that here. You can either go to the trading page here, or you just click on banking and let's just make some domestic transfer. Now let's assume that I want to send money from the Euro account, let's say 5,000. Rent. Next step. Oops. Just put some account number. So next, this is a summary of the transfer and confirm transfer. So an OTP is going to be sent to my email address. Okay, I even forgot that the trade that we traded earlier on, these are the email notifications that comes direct to your email address, notify you about the trade, you win or you lose. It's going to tell you. So now let's verify the domestic transfer verification. So this is the OTP, and inside the OTP email for the transfer to, it's going to send you the summary, like who you're sending money to, the amount, and the reference. So let's get it started. So confirm transfer. So the the transaction is being processed. So now done. One thing I like about this is that it sends you a distinct direct PDF. So you see, the domestic transfer comes with a PDF, the receipt PDF. So it's so advanced. So you can see it comes with the DUKASCOPY logo, everything, the bank name. So because I use demo project, so if I change the bank name tomorrow, it's going to display the bank name, everything, you know. It's so clean. So you can download this PDF, you can do whatever you want to do with it. It's so clean, you know, so it's so legit. So now, even on this page, you can also download your PDF directly. Just click on PDF download, save, view it. The same PDF that we downloaded has already been sent to our email address. So that is it about the transfer. We also have internet transfers. So maybe you want to send money to somebody that that you're using the same bank with, different account number. Like for example, now I have to pause this video. I have a call. Okay, so sorry for that. So now let's look at the other accounts and other users. So we have James Doe here. Let's click on this. Let's look for his account. Now this is an internet bank transfer. Let's say I want to send 100. No, that is too much. Even if it's demo, I have to spend wisely. Next. So now this is the account number, then search for it. You see James Doe, and inside the admin panel here we also have James Doe. You see, so it's look for your account details, and next step, so you can send money to James Doe, you know. That's it. It's so easy, it's so fun. And the other parts, okay, now if you want to register an account, you have to if you want to create an account, because I've disabled the option to register account from the front end. So when you just put your name, email, initial access password, which is the password, the gender assignment, which is the gender, personal, the primary account type, date of birth, biometric profile identity. So it is not compulsory to put the this thing, the profile picture. But now when you do that automatically, and okay, let me just do it. Let me just do it. So automatically the account number will be generated, the access pin will be generated, so you don't have to put the pin code by yourself anymore. Mail, just leave that. I think I have to pause this video. I have a call. Sorry for that. And that is it. So just click on register account. Oh damn it, I did not update that. Sorry, I was working on the date of birth and I did not update it. So okay, so I'm going to do that after this video, but that's how you register account. If you watch my other video, you will see the way it works. So now we are having OTP verification here for the internet transfer that I want to do, but we don't need to do that again, because since you guys already know how the system works. So the other part, so this thing, we have our support system here. will be maybe maybe a user is having issue about some transfer and stuff, so they can create a new ticket. So if they open a new ticket, they can put their requests and everything, then everything goes straight to the admin site, and the user will receive a notification automatically. And these are the tickets that I've opened. You can see, so you can see the way the chat flows is, the design is crazy, bro. You can see, so it feels so good, it looks so good. So here we have our account profile edit, the full name, we have phone number, we have address, you know, so you can update your password, your current session, so you can view your login history from here, the two-factor, so you can activate your two-factor. You can see how the design looks, and you can also view it on the mobile device. You can see how it looks on the mobile. So this design is, I can say this is one of the best things I've ever created. And so yeah, so that is it. Okay, before we go, the last part is, I think, the most important or the most crucial, is the code requests. I've done the video before, but I'm going to show you guys again the way it works. So now we've been making a transaction on that account seamlessly, and it's been going through. So now let's assume that I don't want the transaction to go anywhere, and I just want to request for tax code. I don't want to request for IMF code or whatever code I want to request for. If I just click on this toggle and update, so that's it. So now, one thing about this one is that immediately you verify the code, the transactions continue, you know. So now I have the tax code here. Let me just copy the code, and you can put any code you want. You can edit any code you want, you know. So you can edit any code you want. Just save it. So okay, sorry. So now let's go back to the transfer. We can do wire transfer or whatsoever. Okay. Okay, continue. 25k too much. 25k like that. 25k, yeah. Okay, now let's go to the next step. So now I'm about to confirm the transfer, but instead of taking me to the OTP page, it's going to redirect me to a page where I will be asked to input my tax code. The transaction requires a valid tax code to proceed, and the amazing part is that instantly it will be sent to my, oh damn, I think I should repair this. Instead of site name, I put app name. Sorry for that. So instead of so sending me OTP code, now is the template now is explaining to me that we are writing you to inform you the pending transfer of 25,400 euro has been temporarily placed on hold by our compliance system. You see how sweet it is, you know. You just put the tax code, the pending, so everything's, you know, looks cool. You see, I have to edit all these templates. Okay, so it's only when I put the tax code, then now the tax code is being pasted. Now it continued the transaction. Now OTP code will be sent to me now. Then OTP code will be sent to me. See, let's view this page on mobile screen as well. You can see. So now the OTP code has been pasted and the transaction will go smoothly. So you see, it's very convincing, it's very real. And now we have our receipt here. So that's it. I think that's all I've got to show you guys. And we have our notification system here. It's only sending notification about your what is it called? Maybe there is some deposit, maybe there is some support tickets, you know. So it shows you that. This is it. Yeah, I want to have a search bar, you know, show you the pages, you know, and maybe let's say, for example, let's go to the history, maybe transaction history pages. For example, I want to, maybe I've got this reference ID on my email and I want to look for the transaction directly. You know, it takes me directly to the page. No matter which page I am, it takes me directly to the page, and you know, so it keeps records of everything that happens on the website. So that's it, and I hope to be receiving you guys orders soon. Okay, like now, let's look at this quick transfer page. Now you can just select accounts, boom, select the transfer, boom, it takes you directly to the wire transfer. You know, this is a next level shit, bro. So I'll be waiting for you guys, and thank you for staying with Mr. Paul Web Design over the years, and see you soon. Wait, I think there's something else that I want to show. Yeah, this is the user deposit wallet. So this is where you're going to paste your wallet. So for each account, so if this wallet is not being added, so the user's account will just say, okay, we are setting up your wallet, stuff like that, you know. And this is where you credit and this is where you debit. You know, this is where you credit the funds. You select the account you want to credit. This is where you credit them, you know. And the channel you use, you can just say system, you can just say it's from a wire transfer, you can say it's crypto, you can say it's bonds, you can just say it's transfer. You know, everything is easy. You know, that's why you guys choose. That's why you guys want to choose Mr. Paul. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you soon.